Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to attempt to dye my black box dyed hair a purple toned color without using any bleach. I've been dyeing my hair for the past 3 years using black box dye, and it's naturally a dark to medium brown color. So I've let it grow out for the past 6 months, and I'm going to attempt to dye a purple toned color without using any bleach. So I actually bought a spiced plum toned color in the Nutrice brand. It is a purple toned, almost fuchsia color. And I'm going to go in with my hair using this box dye first and see if it does anything. Okay, so I put in the Garnier Fructis Spiced Plum box dye that was supposed to be purple or whatever, but it's reddish orange. So I don't have high hopes. I don't even think it's gonna do anything, but I wanted purple and I got clown hair. So after dyeing my hair with the spiced plum box dye, it only stuck to the roots of my hair, the parts that weren't box dyed black, the parts that had grown out. So the roots of my hair are now reddish purple. I was hoping it would tint all of my hair, but it only tinted the roots of my hair and parts of my hair that weren't dyed correctly with the previous black box dye. I'll insert a clip of my roots so you guys can see them up close. But now I guess I'm going to do a reverse root hair dye, and I'm going to try and dye my roots a purple tone. So this was step 1, getting my roots a purplish reddish color. And now I'm going to go in with a second dye. I'm going to go in with Passion Berry by Joico purple hair dye, and I'm going to see if that does anything. So it's the next day. I let my hair dry after using the Joico Passion Berry semi-permanent hair dye. This is what it looks like in indoor lighting. You can't really tell that much what color it is in indoor lighting. I think you can only see like a little bit of the tint in my hair along my bangs and like the sides. But I'm gonna go outside in natural light so I can show you what it looks like, because it actually worked very well. My hair is actually tinted purple. So I'm gonna go outside and show you guys what that looks like. So that is the final product on this hair dyeing video. It was supposed to be a purple toned roots no bleach hair dye video, but my purple toned roots ended up becoming a more auburn, fuchsia, magenta, berry wine, whatever color you want to call it, root toned video. It definitely gave my hair color and it definitely came out really beautiful, so I'm not mad. But I think it was definitely the Joico dye that solidified that berry toned color in. It was a semi-permanent, so I did have to start off with a permanent box dyed base, which is why I used Spiced Plum by Garnier, which I think is what gave it a more red tone, because it was supposed to be a plum color, but it ended up turning red. But adding the Joico on top definitely turned it a magenta, which is really beautiful. It wasn't the purple that I was expecting, but it was a really nice color that I got in the end. So it definitely did work, and I definitely didn't have to use any bleach, because both those dyes together really did a good job on turning my hair a different color. So yeah, that's the end of this video. If you guys want to see more videos in the future, like and subscribe for more. I will be doing more wig videos. I'm just waiting for my new wigs to come in because of everything that's going on. The shipping is very delayed, so I did order some new wigs. They're just not here yet. I'm waiting for them, but a new video will be up very soon on those, so I will see you guys then.